This is Dodge Ram 2021. I'm going to make the spare key. The spare key or lost key is the same way to programming. So let's see how to do it with the using Lonsdor. So you have to connect the cables, this cable. So first let's see connect the cable here. On here, just plug it anywhere. Just plug anywhere here, no problem. Just like that, plug it, and then connect the cable, this cable to the OBD, the device, and the other one connect to the car. Where are you? This here. Connect here in the car. That's it. So now we can go to the car. This is RAM. So go to the Dodge first, and go back, go to Emo remote, go to Dodge, select it from vehicle, go to Asia, and RAM 1500. This is 2020, but the car is 2021, so 2019, 2021 is the same. So turn ignition off and hazard light is on. After that, car is now reading the pin code. It's automatically read pin code, and pin code is not showing, so you just wait like 30 seconds. And make sure that device is connected to the internet, otherwise it's not going to be programmed. So it's read the password is finished. Now you have to finish within 60 seconds. Just put the smart key into the start button and push it, and keep on pressing and wait, and device will be automatically showing you that to take out the remote from the buttons. Just keep on pressing. Now release the button, start button, and press OK. That's it. Now you can see the car is 3 keys. Before was 2 keys, now is the 3 keys. Program is success. So this is lost key or red key is the same. And I checking now, remote is working, everything is fine.